Hey guys, welcome to another plugin tutorial. Today it's on Super Parkour. So there are two versions of this plugin. There is the free version, which contains less features than the paid version. And I'm obviously using the paid version as it has more features. So first of all, when you join the server, you will get these three items. With the first item, you will want to set your spawn point by right-clicking it. And you can maybe build like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 maps around this spawn point, which players can have fun on. And then if you right click the second item, it will show you all of the different blocks that you can use for your map. So you can get speed, confusion, blindness, slowness, jump boost, a checkpoint, 2 blocks which set you back to the checkpoint or spawn point, jump pads, and obviously the finish line. So you can go around your map placing them wherever you want. I'm going to show you what these do once we have actually finished. So make sure you've set up all the blocks, you put checkpoints. What you can actually do is right click this and take the blocks out that you want, and then you can just place them down, and then yeah, very simple. And obviously the goal, you will want diamond blocks. Then you can just right click this to finish and it will shut the server down. You'll have to restart the server and you'll be good to go. So I'm going to do that now. So I've just joined the server after restarting it, and as you can see we have 3 different items. We have the reset button, which takes me back to spawn. We have our stats, which shows fails, wins and coins, and the coins can be used in the shop, which is really cool. So we can buy mobile checkpoint, jump boost, speed 3 or removal. And then we have these 5 blocks here, which I showed that you can put around your map earlier. We have slowness, we have nausea, we have a bit of, what's this one called, blindness, we have speed, which is making quite a racket in my headphones, I can hear that, and we have obviously jump boost. So if I use the reset button, we can go back to spawn and start parkouring. Hopefully my parkour skills are better than Numero Uno's. I've seen his and they're not great. So you're probably wondering why this checkpoint isn't working. It's because I set it on a previous map that I made, and then obviously deleted the configs to show you how to make it. So the only one's going to work is the one at the end. So right, I'm going to cheat. We're going to get to this end checkpoint which we set, and as you can see we get coins for that, and the jump pads also work, and there's a nice particle effect there as well. So then we get to the goal, and as you can see there is some nice fireworks. We got coins, it shows our updated stats, and we can obviously buy stuff at the shop. So jump boost gives you a 10-second jump boost, which is really cool. That would help you complete a map. There is also speed 3. So yeah, this is the plugin. It's really cool. We are going to go into the config files now, because you can edit that a bit. So let's go to that now. Here we are in the plugins folder, and as you can see there are 4 different YML files. 3 of them you don't really need to edit. Obviously the checkpoints, locations and stats just save what players have been doing. But you could change this to 1,000 wins if you wanted to make yourself look really good at parkour. 1,000 wins, only 2 fails, I'm the best. So we are going to go into the config file, obviously, and as you can see there is quite a lot in here that we can edit. So the messages, I would personally leave that be, that's fine. But you can obviously change the colours by going to Edit, No Search, Replace, and selecting one colour code and replacing it with another. This is a really cool feature with Notepad++, and I'd recommend it. Then we have some extra stuff, so whether it resets on lava, water, and you're actually invisible, so that stops other players confusing you and make it a bit more difficult, I would say. Then we have safe sand, which allows you to set a barrier block below the sand so it doesn't fall down. We have the scoreboard, which looks really cool. You can obviously change the colours for that as well. And we have what the blocks do, so you could change this if you wanted to. So if you had a map made of maybe emerald, you could change the jump ID to something else. Then we have some chat formatting, which is quite interesting. I would personally leave that alone. That's fine the way it is, unless you have some different ranks. You could change them and remove them, which is kind of cool, and then give your players the correct permission. Then we have the items, which are fine the way they are. You could obviously change the cost and the name if you really wanted to, and how many coins people get per obviously win and per checkpoint. So currently you get 5 per checkpoint. I'd set that to 0, to be honest. I would say you have to complete the map to be rewarded. And that is it. That is how you configure everything in here. Very, very cool. Great plugin. There'll be a link to both versions in the description. Subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you next time.